Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone screen goes black during calls. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, there are a few things you can try to fix an iPhone that goes black during calls. So guys, the first solution is force restart the device by pressing and holding the power button and either volume button until the Apple logo appears. So after restarting your iPhone, so after this, the second solution is check for updates and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So I have the latest version on my iPhone. So after this, go back to your home screen, and then after this, the next solution is make sure your iPhone is not in low power mode, as this can cause the screen to turn off during calls. So check low power mode. Here it is, turn off. So after this, the next solution is check the settings for your phone's display and make sure that the auto lock feature is set to reasonable time limit. So for this, open setting, scroll down, tap on display and brightness, scroll down, and here is auto lock 13 seconds. So after this, the next solution is so guys, if the above steps do not resolve the issue, you may have a hardware problem and will need to have your iPhone serviced. So guys, after this, if none of the above solutions work for you, you can try reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset, and then tap on reset all settings here. Enter your passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.